welcome to another episode of today's GK. I am Tanu Solanki, and in this segment, we bring to you objective questions on daily basis to help you crack prelims. So let's begin with a practice question from our last segment. Consider the following statements. Asiatic lions are naturally found in India only. The first lion census was conducted by Nawab of Junagadh in 1936. Asiatic lions are listed in the IUCN Red List as critically endangered. Which of the above statements are correct? The first statement here is absolutely correct. Asiatic lions are found in India only. The first lion census was conducted by Nawab of Junagadh in 1936. This statement is also correct. The third statement is incorrect. Asiatic lions are listed in the IUCN Red List as endangered and not critically endangered, which makes option B the correct answer. Asiatic lions which are housed in the Hyderabad Zoo infected with SARS-CoV-2 is now recovering well. Asiatic lions are naturally found in India only. The first lion census was conducted by Nawab of Junagadh in 1936. Asiatic lions are listed in the IUCN Red List as endangered. M.G. Gaikwad Commission recently seen in news is related to which of the following? To suggest changes in electoral laws, to look into the issues of linguistic and religious minorities in India, to provide reservation benefits to Maratha community, to promote and uplift the society's deprived sections. So M.G. Gaikwad Commission is related to providing reservation benefits to Maratha community. Recently, a 5-judge constitution bench of the Supreme Court unanimously declared a Maharashtra law that provides reservation benefits to Maratha community as unconstitutional. The Supreme Court struck down the findings of Justice N.G. Gaikwad Commission, which led to enactment of the Maratha quota law. The Supreme Court set aside the Bombay High Court judgment which validated the Maharashtra State Reservation for Socially and Educationally Backward Classes Act of 2018. The High Court in June 2019 had reduced the quantum of reservation for Marathas from 16% recommended by the Gaikwad Commission to 12% in education and 13% in employment. The Supreme Court held that a separate reservation for the Maratha community violates Article 14 and Article 21. Consider the following statements regarding due process of law. It is a British concept. The Supreme Court gave its judgment in Gopalan case based on it. Which of the above statements are correct? So the first statement here is incorrect. It is an American concept. The second statement is also incorrect. The Supreme Court gave its judgment in Gopalan case based on procedure established by law, which makes option D the correct answer, neither 1 nor 2. Due process of law doctrine checks if there is a law to deprive the life and personal liberty of a person, and also it sees if the law made is fair, just, and not arbitrary. Under this doctrine, it is the legal requirement that a state must respect all of the legal rights that are owed to a person, and laws that state enacts must conform to the laws of the land like fairness, fundamental rights, and liberty. It also gives the judiciary to access fundamental fairness, justice, and liberty of any legislation. It is an American concept. The Supreme Court gave its judgment in Gopalan case based on a narrow interpretation of Article 21 based on the procedure established by law. It means that a law duly enacted by the legislature or the concerned body is valid if it has followed the correct procedure. Following this doctrine means that a person can be deprived of his life or personal liberty according to the procedure established by law. Moving on, the facility is used to aid banks in resolving any short-term cash shortages during the period of economic stability or from any other form of stress caused by forces beyond their control. The facility in the question refers to liquidity adjustment facility, statutory liquidity ratio, cash reserve ratio, standing deposit facility. So this refers to liquidity adjustment facility. Recently, RBI announced a liquidity adjustment facility of 50,000 crore rupees with a tenor of up to 3 years at the repo rate to ease access to credit for providers of emergency health services. LAF is used to aid banks in resolving any short-term cash shortages during period of economic instability or from any other form of stress caused by forces beyond their control. Various banks use eligible securities as collateral through a repo agreement and use the funds to alleviate their short-term requirements, thus remaining stable. Consider the following countries: Mauritania, Mali, Niger, Benin. Which of the above are neighboring countries of Burkina Faso. So we can see this on a map. We have here Burkina Faso and its neighboring countries are Niger, Benin, Togo, Ghana, Ivory Coast and Mali, which makes Mali, Benin, Niger, which makes option B the correct answer. Recently, an attack on eastern Burkina Faso killed 25 people and 11 assailants were neutralized. The neighboring countries of Burkina Faso are Mali, Niger, Benin, Togo, Ghana, and Ivory Coast. Talnoa dialogue is related to which of the following subjects? Healthcare of the people, biological and chemical weapons, global climate change, or child rights. So Talnoa dialogue is related to global climate change. The Talnoa dialogue is a process designed to help countries implement and enhance their national determined contribution by 2020. The dialogue was mandated by the parties to the United Nations Framework Convention for Climate Change to take stocks of the collective global efforts to reduce the emission of greenhouse gases. This is in line with the goals of Paris Agreement, which is to limit the rise in average global temperature to 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels and to pursue efforts to limit the increase to 1.5 degrees Celsius. Consider the following statements regarding Alma-Ata Declaration. It was made after the outbreak of COVID-19, a global health emergency in 2020. It was adopted at the International Conference on Primary Healthcare. Which of the above statements are correct? So the first statement here is incorrect. The declaration was made in 1978 and the second statement is correct, which makes option B the correct answer. The declaration of Alma-Ata was adopted at the International Conference of Primary Healthcare, Almaty, in Kazakhstan, and statement 2 is correct. It was the first international declaration underlying the importance of primary healthcare. The declaration was made in 1978. It expressed the need for urgent action by all governments, all health and development workers, and the world community to protect and promote the health of all people. Consider the following statements. The Food Corporation of India is a statutory body set up in 1965. FCI is headquartered at New Delhi. It is administered by the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers' Welfare. Which of the above statements are correct? So the first statement here is correct. Food Corporation of India is a statutory body and it was set up in 1965. The second statement is also correct. FCI is headquartered at New Delhi. The third statement is incorrect. It is administered by the Ministry of Consumer Affairs and not Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers' Welfare, which makes option C the correct answer, 1 and 2 only. FCI is a statutory body set up in 1965 under the Food Corporation Act 1964. It was established against the backdrop of a significant shortage of grains, especially wheat. The FCI is headquartered at New Delhi. Food Corporation of India is a public sector undertaking under the Department of Food and Public Distribution, Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution. Consider the following statements. Foreign exchange reserves are assets held on reserve by a bank in foreign currencies. Most foreign exchange reserves are held in US dollars. Which of the above statements are correct? So the first statement here is incorrect. Foreign exchange reserves are assets held on reserve by central bank in foreign currencies. And the second statement is correct. Most foreign exchange reserves are held in US dollars, which makes the option B the correct answer, 2 only. Reserve Bank of India bought 42 tons of gold in the last fiscal year to diversify forex assets. Foreign exchange reserves are assets held on reserve by central bank in foreign currencies, including bonds, treasury bills, and other government securities. It needs to be noted that most foreign exchange reserves are held in US dollars. B117 recently seen in news is a COVID-19 variant, Chinese satellite, a new fruit ripening agent, anti-malaria drug. So it is a COVID-19 variant. Consider the following statements. Nitrogen dioxide primarily gets into air by burning plastic. Nitrogen dioxide interacts with water, oxygen, and other chemicals in the atmosphere to form acid rain. Which of the above statements are correct? So the first statement here is incorrect. NO2 primarily gets into air by burning fuel and not plastics. The second statement is correct. NO2 interacts with water, oxygen, and other chemicals in the atmosphere to form acid rain, which makes option B the correct answer, 2 only. A recent study concluded that long-term exposure to NO2 pollution would affect lung function and increase the risk of pulmonary disease. NO2 primarily gets into air by burning of fuels. NO2 and other NOx interact with water, oxygen, and other chemicals in the atmosphere to form acid rain. Acid rain harms sensitive ecosystems such as lakes and forests. Next up, we have our practice question. Litani River, recently seen in news, is located in which of the following countries? Myanmar, Tajikistan, Cyprus, or Lebanon? I hope you will be able to answer this question. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. We shall meet again in another segment. Till then, stay safe, stay updated.